everyone, I'm Pauline and I have a ladybird craft for you today. So you'll need some red and black paper or card, or you can do it in white and colour it all in. You will need your pens and pencils, some glue and some scissors. Okay, so the first thing to do is to get something round to draw around and make a circle for the base of your ladybird. Then you need to cut some strips like this and make little folds at the end. Pop some glue on the folds and stick them down to your circle, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to kind of crisscross them. So one that way and then one that way, like so. And you keep going round until you've got it all filled in like that, okay? Then you'll need your black paper or card because we need to make a face. So here's the head shape for you. I did these all separately, then I made the antennae and glued them on, a couple of eyes and glued them on, and now I'm going to put glue on the back of here and attach it to the body. Okay, so kind of match it up, get it sitting towards the bottom of your bug shape, and there you are, that's on. Now a ladybird has spots, so you need to cut out or colour in some ladybird spots and stick them on wherever you like, and then you will have your ladybird. Now the great thing about this craft is that you could use the same technique to make any insect that you like. Okay, so but there's the ladybird. Hope you enjoy it and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.